Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix a problem where your Wi-Fi is connected, but there is no internet access on your Windows computer. As you can see, the Wi-Fi icon shows that we're connected to the network. Let's open Google Chrome and try to visit a website. The page doesn't load. Even though the Wi-Fi is connected without any problem, we still don't have internet access. Now let's try Microsoft Edge. The same thing happens here. Websites won't open, even though Windows shows that the Wi-Fi connection is active. If you're facing the same issue, here's a simple fix. First, click the Start button and open Settings. On the left side, select Network and Internet. Now click Proxy. In this example, automatically detect settings is already enabled, which is perfectly fine. Next, look under Manual Proxy Setup. You'll notice that Use a Proxy Server is turned on. Click the Edit button. Here, turn off the Use a Proxy Server toggle switch. After that, click Save. Now close Settings. Open Microsoft Edge again and try accessing a website. This time the page loads normally. Let's check Chrome as well. As you can see, the internet is working properly again. That's it for this video. If this guide helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Windows tips and troubleshooting tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.